Welcome to the Basic Civil and Mechanical Engineering course video session. And the course code for this Basic Civil and Mechanical Engineering is B8252 for the regulation 2017. So in this video session, we'll be studying about the split type air conditioner of the fifth unit, refrigeration and air conditioning. So this is animations of this split type air conditioner. So this is a syllabus for the fifth unit refrigeration and air conditioning system, and the objectives are listed out here for this course, Basic Civil and Mechanical Engineering. So the objectives are to impart basic knowledge on civil and mechanical engineering to the students, and to familiarize the materials and measurements used in civil engineering, and also to provide the exposure on the fundamental elements of civil engineering structures, and also to enable the students to distinguish the components and working principle of the power plant units, internal combustion engines, and refrigeration and air conditioning systems. And in the syllabus, you have this terminology of refrigeration and air conditioning, principle of vapor compression and absorption system, layout of typical domestic refrigerator, window and split type room air conditioner. So these are all the textbooks and reference books for the course Basic Civil and Mechanical Engineering. And these are all the course outcomes. Upon completion of this course, the students will be able to explain basic concepts of civil and mechanical engineering from Unit 1. And from Unit 2, the students will be able to select the materials and measurement techniques used in civil engineering. And the students will be able to summarize the fundamental building components in civil engineering structures from Unit 3. And from Unit 4, the students will be able to illustrate various internal combustion engines and power plant systems and the subsystems with layout. And from the Unit 5, the students will be able to experiment with the typical domestic refrigerator and different types of room air conditioner. So before going in depth about the split type air conditioner, so we should know what is air conditioning first. So air conditioning is a process of conditioning the air as per the human comfort, irrespective of whatever the external conditions may be. So air conditions would include the following process. You have 5 processes here. So the first process is cooling or heating the air. And the second one is either addition of moisture in air or removal of moisture from air. And the third process is air purification. And the fourth process is addition of fresh air from outside. And the final process is the distribution of air. So coming to the principle of air conditioning, so in an air conditioning system, the device or unit that provides air conditioning is called an air conditioner. And this device would draw air continuously from an indoor space which is to be cooled. So it cools in the refrigeration system and discharge back into the same indoor space. And this continuous cyclic process of drawing, cooling, and recirculation of the cooled air is maintained in indoor space. So common applications of air conditioning is used in industries which has tool room machines, in textiles to control moisture, used in printing press, used in food industries, chemical plants, houses, hospitals, offices, computer centers, department stores. And also air conditioning is used in transport media like buses, cars, trains, aeroplanes, and ships. And it also has wide applications in food processing, printing, chemical, paramedical, and machine tool, etc. So normally, air conditioning system, we have two types. That is window air conditioning system, and here you can see from the figure. So window air conditioning system, to install one of these units, you need a space to make a slot in the wall, and there should also be some open space behind the wall. So when the summer heat dies down, these units can be easily removed for storage, and also you can use the window sill for other purpose also. So the split air conditioning system. So here it has two parts. It's outdoor unit and indoor unit. So the outdoor unit is fitted outside the room, and the indoor unit is fitted inside the room. And this outdoor unit consists of the compressor, condenser, and the expansion valve. So these are all the diagrams below given for the split air conditioning system. And this air conditioning system has aesthetic looks, which adds beauty to the room also. And it can be used to cool one or two rooms. So this is a layout of a split type air conditioner unit, and you can see here you have two unit, so indoor unit and outdoor unit. And in this outdoor unit, you have air discharge vent, and you can see the piping from this outdoor unit, refrigeration piping connection made into the indoor unit, and you have an air filter here, and you have a up and down airflow direction adjusting flap here, and left and right adjusting flap, and these are all the air return kits. So this is another layout of this indoor and outdoor unit of the slip type air conditioning system. So coming to the construction of this split type air conditioner. So here in the split type air conditioning, noise making components like compressor, condenser are mounted outside or away from the room, that is in the outdoor unit. And this split type air conditioning system has two main components, that is outdoor unit and indoor unit. So the outdoor unit consists of compressor, a condenser. Indoor unit consists of this power cables, the refrigerant tube, and the evaporator unit mounted inside a room. So you can see here, this indoor unit is mounted inside the room, and the outdoor unit is being mounted uh, outside the room. So compressor. So this compressor is normally used to compress the refrigerant, and the refrigerant moves between the evaporator and the condenser through the circuit of tubing and fins in the coil. So the evaporator and the condenser, normally it is made of coil of copper tubes, and it's been surrounded by aluminum fins. So what happens is this liquid refrigerant coming from the condenser unit, coming from the condenser, evaporates in the indoor evaporator coil. So during the process, the heat is removed from the room, from the indoor unit, air, and thus the room is cool. So air return grid takes in the indoor air. So water is dehumidified out of the air, strained through the drain pipe. And the hot refrigerant vapor is passed to the compressor and then to the condenser where it becomes liquid. So this cycle is being repeated out, and there is a thermostat in order to keep the room at a constant and comfortable temperature, which depends on avoiding the frequent turning on and off, on off. And next is the merits of the split type air conditioner. So this split type air conditioner is a compact one, and up to 4 indoor may be connected to one outdoor unit, and it is energy and money saving. And duct is not used here, and installation is very easy, and it is noiseless because rotary air compressor is used here, and also it's kept outside. It is more efficient and powerful. It has flexibility for zoning. And coming to the demerits, initial cost is higher than window air conditioner. So here, skilled technician is required for installation. So that is a demerit here. And each zone or room requires a thermostat to control the air cooling. So with this, we come to an end with this split type air conditioning unit of the 5th unit. So thank you and have a great day.